So, what's up guys? Welcome back to another gameplay video. So guys, I'm again going to play Gangster New Orleans, and as you can know, in my before video, I also forget what I did in my before video. So basically, let's claim this. I have only three terraforms. So basically, our this topic will be I am going to buy a new mansion because my this yellow mansion is not looking too nice, and I have didn't some upgrade. Sorry, I didn't see you. Let's get that mansion currencies. There we go. That's our mansion currency. Oh no, I have already claim it. Sorry. So our mansion is not too far. Our mansion is over here. I am going to take my Suzuki Hayabusa. I mean HXR 1000 and HXR 1000. I am going to take my HXR 1000 over there because the speed and plus the noise plus the current is OP. That they should know that there's a high class person is coming on our mansion to buy it. Let's talk to that owner of that mansion and take the key of that mansion and give him the money. And guys, you were thinking that how did I get the money? So guys, in one mission we do a bank robbery. Seen that stunt? You're seeing that stunt, guys. I was also shocked. So in one mission we do bank robbery. So I didn't in bank robbery, but I did lots of high value targets. So I got enough money to buy this mansion. So now let's pack our Suzuki Hayabusa into this and see how much large this mansion is. I just want this mansion. Park over here. Yes. Let's talk to the owner of the mansion. Hey, you are taking photos of my Suzuki Hayabusa. Great, but it's my super bike, not yours. Let's talk to the owner of the mansion. Woohoo! This mansion is successfully mine. Let me show you the tour of this mansion. Wow, biggest mansion, largest mansion. Hey, where's my super bike? I mean my HXR 1000. It's not stolen, guys. I just input it into my old mansion. But then also, this is gold. This mansion is gold. Seriously, if I will sell this mansion now, I will get 3 Audi R8s. Wow, I love this mansion. Too nice. But no furniture. But then also the mansion is too royal. And this video is not short. Let me order my HXR 1000 motorcycles. There we go. That's our super bike. Why? This much? Why? So basically this beautiful mansion is successfully ours. So I don't know what to do. So let's go to mansion park there and go to sleep, and let's see if someone's call comes or not. Oh wait, I'm going to do a mission now. Let's start. Okay. Find missing band. Okay. Find the kidnapper's van. Van? Okay, so the man who gave us mission, he has this Rolls Royce like mine. Yes, the color is also same. I also painted my Rolls Royce in this paint. Yes. Now speed. Show me some speed. Not garbage. This roll car. World tuber. It's a truck, not a van. These gangster neurons are too. Die. No, I have gold pounder. You are chasing a man with gold pounder. Then fine, you will catch it soon. I need to restart this mission. Mission failed. Why these cheap ads? In some mistake my dad gone because when the ad came that I lost the kidnappers van. But this time I will find that missing band. This time I'll be accurate. In that time my mind was at that dog who tried to attack me, but now my time will be my eyes will be on that van. Die. Let's chase the van. Yes. Yes, garbage truck. Shall I blast this van? I have gold pounder. Let's see his driving skills. Jazz band. Okay. See the before that number that's written jazz band. Wrong. Oh. Come on. Quick. You will not run away from me. I have more expensive car than you. Police! Hi, van. Police are also that with this garbage truck. Eliminate the kidnappers, my favorite work. Die! Not going to leave anyone. Target lost. Do not let this happen again. Oh no. But what did I done? Anyways, I have lost all of my energies. So this is our final. Okay, I think the man who was out of that van, that truck, that is that target. So we should not let him lost. We should not kill him also. We should eliminate only that kidnappers. Two shots only and one shot got missed. Jazz band. I'm not going to leave you over now. Car is okay now. Okay. Let's follow him. And guys, comment down below how much you guys play this Gangster New Orleans or any game of Game Loft. Because the Game Loft makes a nice games, but the Game Loft games always get lags. Let's chase the van. I'll not stop you chasing. These dogs will not do a scratch on me. But now I'm going to face a big trouble because now the police are over here. No, police! Oh no, they are the dogs, but they are come in the police van. My favorite work. Not over him.
You think you can mess with face? I know you face.
Wait, a nice idea or nice
Son
couple.
of a bitch, you broke my hand. Over a game of pool. You're working with Ronnie. And the last horse crosses the finish line. Ended up by my own pool table. With the money Blue Fingers paid me to break your
If
precious little hand.
he headed to that dogs in their protection, he never get a scratch.
He was jealous of how good I was getting. He took my hand, my music, a piece of my soul. He wanted to play the devil's horn. But it's time for Blue Fingers to pay the devil his due.
This was experience. Smooth and just. At least got some of the diamonds. So, yes, our work is done. My job is done. Now they will do some research to find the Duke. And in my father's mobile, I have already defeated the Duke. But in his mobile, I'll be happy to defeat the Duke once more. Duke, see, this is the last rockets you are seen in your life. Because in some days only, you are going to die. Let's do one more mission. What? Garbage! Garbage car! Too garbage. In my father's mobile, when I get it, I was thinking that this car will be okay. This is a luxurious, but no, this is the ultra garbage. Ultra garbage. I don't like this car. Actually, my that the Terra Trust is fine and it. Oh, drift is also and the braking is also too bad. Orange. Security. Don't worry, guys. I have Bangomatic, which is very rare gun plus very powerful gun.
In the hell is this? Not enough for Miles to level my studio. Now E6 is a tag dog on me? All because I had his fingers broke, ruined his career, lied about finding the magic trumpet, and then rode that lie all the way to the good life. Leaving
Wow,
him
the
behind
entrance
with
is
cesspool
too
of dive
nice.
clubs and two-bit thieves. Man, I ain't got time for this. Get rid of this fool.
Die. Die. Let's follow him. Oh no, the video will be too long. Guys, watch this video till end because it is going to be our mega episode of our channel Nerf Gamers. And guys, in the gameplays I forgot that we have completed 60 subscribers. Thank you. My 60 subscribers just completed because of your love and your support. Alright. And guys, this is my mobile, not my father's mobile. I repeat again. No, let's follow him. Follow. Okay. The boat is too nice. Okay. Let's see. I know what will happen again. Oh, my gold pounder is with me. What? What a dad. Too bad. I will complete more missions for more diamonds. Oh, my gold pounder. Heh. I have the hammer also. I have this also. I will save the diamonds for a silver jar. So, hey guys, this is not for this video, and see, it's that Ronnie died. Goodbye, Ronnie. You are dead now. That now no one will brother us. That what? And guys, tell me in the comment what is that guy's name who killed the Ronnie. But wait, where's the exit? Let me find the exit. Directly on the mansion. Yeah, I'm in my mansion. Let's see how much motorboats I have. Wow, Jackalope, I have this tank in my grandfather's mobile. Boats. Nice. I have all of the boats in this game. Too nice. In dogs. Don't tell me in dogs. See my legendary dogs. And let me show you my homies. If one of my homies watching this video, no, I'm thanking that guy. Okay, these are to my homies. Chat hi ha. तुम फोटो में पंच हो रहा है. Don't. I am a YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. इतने साल के हो. I'm a YouTuber. Let's see. Let's see his reply. 9 seconds ago, 11 seconds ago, 24 seconds ago, 52 seconds ago. I am 10 years old. So guys, that was for this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let me unbox a brown jar. Please, guys, please, what will I get? No, I'll get garbage items only. So guys, see my legendary garage. So guys, shut up for this video. Make sure guys like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in my next video. And those homies and my homies who are watching this, thank you for making me your homie. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care everybody from the COVID and goodbye.